everyone and welcome to the video lecture on linear differential equation. So here I shall discuss few important examples on linear differential equations. So let us start with the first example. It is dy by dx is equal to this. So what we do here is to identify a dependent variable. So for that you need to see the power of x and y. So here we find power of y 1, here also 1, here also 1 and x also comes out to be 1. So when there is a situation that both x and y has a power 1, then just look for existence of the function of that variable. So if you have function of say x, then that variable equation will be a dependent will be a equation with y as a dependent variable. And if you will find function of y, then it should be a linear differential equation with x as a dependent variable. So as we have log y which is a function of y, so this could not be a differential equation with y as a dependent variable. This has to be a differential equation with x as a dependent variable. So I want dx by dy. So just rewrite this equation. We have dx by dy equal to reciprocate the terms. So we have this one, right? We will separate the terms, numerator over here. So as x is a dependent variable, so therefore standard form of differential equation must be this form, dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y, right? So let us bring this equation in this standard form. So I want the, after dx by dy, I want the term of x. So this is the term of x. Separating the numerator, we'll get minus x by y, bring it on the left hand side, so plus 1 by y times x is equal to, from the remaining term we can take y common, so y will get cancelled, we are left with 2 log y plus 1. Now compare this with this standard form, identify p of y and q of y. Once we get p of y and q of y, find out integrating factor. So integrating factor is e raised to power integration of p of y is 1 by y and integration of 1 by y is log y. E and log will get cancelled, so you will have integrating factor as y. Once we get integrating factor, we will find out the solution. So what is the structure of solution? A dependent variable. See here, dependent variable is x. So we will have x into integrating factor is y is equal to integration of q is this one, into again integrating factor, integration with respect to y plus c. Now I will just multiply with y. So we will have 2 outside, integration of y log y, integration with respect to y plus again integration of y like this. Now here we will apply integration by parts. So according to Euler rule, this logarithmic term will be a first function and another one will be a second function. So apply integration by parts rule for integration. So it is first function as it is, integration of y is y square by 2 minus integration of derivative of first function. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. And then integration of y again is y square by 2. Plus integration of this is y square by 2 plus c. Now, so here if I take 2 outside, 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with y square log y minus again y will get cancelled. What is left? Y, and integration of y is y square by 2. So this y square by 2 will get cancelled with this one. So we are left with this. So like this we will get the solution, right? So let us move on to quickly to the next example, that is dy by dx plus x plus y times cos x this divided by 1 plus sin x is equal to 0. Again our task is to identify a dependent variable first. So let us see, power of x 1, y is also 1, but we find a function of x. That's why this should be a dependent linear differential equation with y as a dependent variable. So let us write this in the standard form, as we have identified that this is a differential equation with y as a dependent variable. So given equation can be written as dy by dx. Then next I need the term of y. So I will separate the numerator. So what we will get, cos x upon 1 plus sin x into y, then plus x times x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to 0. Now put this in a standard form. So we will have dy by dx plus cos x upon 1 plus sin x into y is equal to minus x upon 1 plus sin x. Let us compare this with the standard form. What is the standard form? Dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. What we shall get? So we shall get p of x is equal to cos x upon 1 plus sin x, and q of x is the right hand side. What is that? Minus x upon 1 plus sin x. After getting p of x and q of x, let us find integrating factor. So we have integrating factor as e raised to power integration of p of x with respect to x. Substitute p of x, that is cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Now what is the integration of this term? So as we find derivative of denominator in the numerator. So according to the formula, what we will have, it is nothing but e raised to power log of the denominator. So that is 1 plus sin x. Right? Now e and log will get cancelled. So we have 1 plus sin x. So this is our integrating factor. Okay, now let us find the solution. So what is the structure of the solution? Dependent variable, okay, into integrating factor. So what is the dependent variable here? Yes, y is the dependent variable. So y into integrating factor is 1 plus sin x is equal to, then integration of right hand side. What is right hand side? Minus x upon 1 plus sin x into integrating factor plus constant of integration. So here we find that 1 plus sin x get cancelled. Integration of x is nothing but x square by 2 minus sin as it is. So we have this one. So in this way we will get the desired solution. Right? So I hope the problem which I have discussed so far is clear to you all. I would like to take one more example, and with that example this topic will be over. Sin x into dy by dx, very important example. Plus 2y is equal to 10 cube of x by 2. Right? So this is the problem we wish to solve. So let us see how to get the solution. So first, as per our procedure, we need to identify what is a dependent variable and what is the independent variable. Okay. So power of y is 1, whereas we don't find power of x as 1. So this should be a linear differential equation with y as a dependent variable. Okay. So we will rewrite this in the standard form. So given differential equation can be written as so we just need to divide by sin x. So dy by dx plus 2 by sin x into y is equal to tan cube of x by 2 upon sin x. Now this is now converted in the standard form. So on comparing above equation with standard form, what is the standard form? Dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. We get. So what we will find? So p of x is 2 by sin x and q of x is tan cube of x by 2 upon sin x. Now after getting this p of x and q of x, let us find the integrating factor. Now integrating factor is equal to, so what it will be? It is e raised to power integration of p of x with respect to x, that is e raised to power integration of p is 2 by sin x. So it is equal to e raised to power, I will take outside 2, and 1 by sin x is cosec x, and we know the formula for cosec x is integration of cosec x is nothing but log of tan x by 2. So this is e raised to power 2 outside and integration is log of x by 2, tan x by 2. Okay, so just apply law of indices. It is in the form m log a. So we will write it as e raised to power log of tan square x by 2. So exponent and logarithm will get cancelled. We will have integrating factor is equal to tan square of x by 2. Right? Now, then next let us find solution. Solution is given by, so here the important step is to get the logarithm of this and then applying the appropriate law of indices. Right? So solution is given by dependent variable is y into integrating factor, that is tan square x by 2 is equal to integration of right hand side, that is tan cube of x by 2 upon sin x into tan square x by 2. Now, so this step, simplification of this step is very important. So observe the steps carefully. So as we have the angle as x by 2, so we will try to put every angle in the form x by 2. Here also we have x by 2, but here we don't have. So we will apply the formula of sine to theta. What is sine to theta? It is 2 sine theta cos theta. So here 2 theta is x. So what will be theta? X by 2. So it is integration of tan, here we have power 4 by 2, 5, 10 to the power 5. So I will write 10 to the power 4 x by 2 and one tangent function is there, which I will write as sine x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Right? So I have splitted this 10 to the power 5 as 10 to the power 4 into tan, which is written in terms of sine and cosine like this. Right? Very important. Upon, now sine function is written as 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. So this step is very important. This need to be done very carefully. Right? So this is equal to. So what you will find that sine x by 2 will get cancelled. So we have 1 by 2 outside, integration of tan to the power 4x by 2, then upon cos square x by 2, which I will write sec square x by 2. 1 upon cos square is sec square. Right? Again, in order to simplify this, as we know the derivative of tangent is sec square, so we will now use the substitution to simplify this. So what is that substitution? Put tangent of x by 2 is equal to say t. Right? So this implies, so what we have? So very important example I am discussing now. See each and every step carefully. So derivative of tan square x by 2, tan x by 2 is sec square x by 2, and then derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. Right, so therefore what we have, therefore y into tan square x by 2 is equal to, now 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx is nothing but dt. So we have tan to the power 4, that is become t to the power 4 dt plus c. Now integration of t to the power 4 is t to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, replace the value of t, that is tan x by 2 to the power 5 upon 5 plus c. So like this we get the solution. I can divide by tan square x by 2. So what we have? It is tan cube x by 2 upon 5 plus c upon tan square x by 2. So in this way we get the desired solution. So as I told you many times, either you can write in explicit form or this much is also sufficient. This form of writing the solution is also sufficient. So I hope I have covered almost all the possible types of examples on linear differential equation with the sort of the calculations required. In the next video lecture, we shall discuss the next topic of this unit. Thank you all for watching the video.